If you ever wanted to create your channel art on YouTube and never knew how, here's how. First, you'll want to go to your YouTube account and then click on My Channel. Once in your channel, you'll click Customize Channel. After clicking Customize Channel, go to Channel Art, Add Channel Art, then click Select a photo from your computer. You can browse the location of the photo, and once you have the photo, just select it and click OK. It'll take a little bit of time for it to upload. Once it is uploaded, you can select how you'd like it to display. And then click OK. Then your channel art should appear up on top of your channel. If you'd like to change your channel logo, just click up in the left upper hand corner. This will also change the logo across your Google account, so ensure that you actually want to do it. You can click Edit and it'll take you to another page. Then you can click Upload Photo and do the same thing again. Select your picture, wait for it to upload. Once it is uploaded, you can select what size you would like it to be. And once you have selected that, then you can click OK and your channel art will have been created. It's as simple as that.